So it looks like Motorola is doing foldables now, and Motorola has a brand new foldable. So it says Motorola just announced a foldable phone to rival Samsung and Google at CES. Samsung and Google have new competition in the foldable space at CES 2026. Motorola unveiled its first side foldable smartphone, the Razr Fold. The handheld sports an impressive 6.6-inch external screen and an 8.1-inch flexible main display. And this is how it looks right here. Very, very sexy looking phone. And from what I've been hearing from all the YouTubers that are covering this at CES right now, is that it looks and feels very, very premium. So very luxurious feeling phone right here. It says Motorola hasn't provided dimensions yet, so we don't know how thick this is yet or how it compares to other foldables in that respect. We do know, however, that it'll include support for the Moto Pen Ultra stylus. This is actually a fairly big deal as Samsung dropped the feature for the Z Fold 7. Modern foldables basically double as tablets, so a stylus is always appreciated. And I noticed a lot of people were complaining about the lack of stylus support for the Fold 7. So Motorola is taking heads out here this year. And I believe they are coming out with the Motorola Signature as well, another luxurious type of phone, which we'll cover on this channel later on. But this looks good. This looks really, really good. We'll get into some more stuff right here, but this is how the phone looks in all of its glory. Beautiful, beautiful, sexy looking phone right here. And I really do like that silver panel on the back of this phone that holds all of the camera modules. You have the silver accents on the sides of the phone as well. And you have, of course, the Motorola emblem and the Razr emblem in silver. But this just looks like no other phone on the market right now. One of the sexiest phones. And of course, we're going to have that pleather design on this device as well. So that's another plus with this, that they use all the way down to their budget devices like the Moto G Play 2026 I just reviewed this week. So beautiful to see it. It also says there's a robust camera system here with a 50 megapixel Sony sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra wide / macro sensor, and a 50 megapixel telephoto sensor, and a 32 megapixel external selfie lens, and a 20 megapixel internal camera. It also offers the ability to record in Dolby Vision, and the Razr Fold will be available in blue and white. I think that white looks so good. I think I'm going to pick up that one. Let me know which one you guys want me to pick up. It says we don't have any information regarding internal specs, pricing, or availability, but Motorola says that more specifications will be shared in the coming months. And it's worth noting that while this is the company's first side folding camera, Motorola has always made top folding phones. After all, that's what a flip phone is. The company continues to refine this basic idea with its standard Razr line of mid-range top folding smartphones. So it looks like Motorola is coming for Google and Samsung. They're bringing the heat this year. They are doing a very, very good job on the budget and mid-range line of phones, but it looks like Motorola is really trying to come in and solidify their spot in the smartphone space for the coming years. So they're coming, it looks like they're coming really, really hard with these phone drops right here. And I'm really excited to see what they do this year with this phone. Obviously, this phone's going to be a flagship phone that Motorola is dropping. So we can expect a top flagship processor inside of here. Of course, 12 to 16 gigabytes of RAM. I'm going to assume 508 gigabytes of internal storage, since this is probably going to be around, $1,000 or more. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I thought this looked sick. I thought it was cool that they were bringing something that is going to be Motorola stylus compatible, since, Samsung took away the Fold 7 stylus support. This looks really cool. Very, very exciting stuff to start off 2026. Again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you going to pick this up? Do you like this? Do you hate this? Let me know down below.